What's going on, guys? Liquid Max. I'm gonna bring a video today to you guys about OKX Exchange. Good exchange overall. I got into this exchange probably like 2 years ago, I would say. Great platform. It runs real smooth, and basically, I'd advise anybody that is looking for a new exchange to trade on, or just an exchange in general to trade on. Check this one out. Like, this is a good exchange. Also, one thing that I wanted to mention in the box below, check the detail box below. You're gonna see that there's gonna be a sign up link for this exchange. Now, for anyone that signs up with my affiliate link, basically I have it set so I receive, or actually, so you'll receive a 5% commission back on your trades. So like if you open a trade, you're going to get 5% of that back every single trade, as long as you're signed up for with the link below. And just make sure to put like make sure the referral code is set up right. Make sure they match, and just create an account, and you will get 5% back on all your trades. So check that out. And then let's get back to it with this exchange. I just want to show you guys how this works, and I just want to show you a couple of examples. So I did just make a video on XRP, so I kind of want to just cover XRP, being that it seems to be the coin that is like kind of moving, and it's like a tradable coin right now. So I'm on the futures end of OKX. Now let's go actually to the 4-hour chart. And I just want to show you, for those who aren't familiar with leverage trading or perpetual swaps or futures contracts, I'd like to show you guys basically kind of like, how it works, just in a quick video, less than 10 minutes. So just watch this, make sure to like and subscribe, follow me on Twitter, check out the Discord. I have a VIP group, make sure to check that out too. If you want to join that, feel free to message me on Discord, and I'll get you put in that group quick. So let's get to it though, and let's check this out. So we can see on the 4-hour that XRP went up substantially. Like in a matter of, that's a 4-hour candle, that's a 4-hour candle. In like 8 hours, it went up 100%. So check this out real quick. Now, I was having some issues with this calculator yesterday. I'm not sure if I'm going to have any today. Let's look into it. So let's just say we long this coin at 50 cents, assuming that, okay, XRP stayed under 50 cents for quite a while. So it breaks 50 cents. I mean, like the way I look at trading, it breaks 50 cents or any whole number, $1 or whatever, like, or maybe $10, like example. Whole numbers seem to be like supports and big levels of breakout points. So like 50 cents on this coin would be, in my eyes, like a good entry point if it got to it. It'd likely hold that as a newfound support. So let's say we long this at 50 cents and we close this at 85 cents on 75x leverage, which is extremely high leverage, and I do not recommend using 75x, though if you want, you can. Just make sure to use my affiliate link below, and you will get 5% of your commission back on your trades. So at least if you do lose on your trades using 75x, you're going to get some money back in return. It's like a win-win on your end. It really is. And I don't know why you wouldn't do it. Like, don't just sign up with just any link. Like, sign up with a link that's going to like benefit you and give you money back in return, not just a standard link that's going to do nothing for you. So we can see 75x leverage setup. We longed it at 50 cents. We have that set at long, obviously. Our close price is 85 cents. And then let's see. You're going to see that the margin, this is a $148 trade. So if you were to put on about $150 in this trade, 50 cents to 85 cents, that's crazy right there. That's insane. You can see you would have made let me just double check that. What? That is crazy. But yeah, you would have made 5,200% profit, and you would have turned $150 to $7,000. That's crazy. I mean, like that's the power of leverage. That's really why I say like that's why I do leverage trading. Is I mean, yeah, that would have been about a 40% move, or just under. Actually, wait a minute. That would have been a 50% move. Yeah, that would make sense then. So imagine putting, more money in it. You put 1,000, like $1,400. You make $77,000. That can be life changing money. I mean, like for someone that is not like financially sound and they don't have a lot of money in crypto, and if they were to like literally just put in $200 in this trade, or like 250, let's say put in 250 or 300, how about that? And then they long this coin yesterday, and they literally made almost $16,000 within like a few hours. That could set them up to take that 15,000 and then flip it, to 30,000, and then go from 30 to 40, then 40 to 50. And then before you know it, you could be at $1,000,000 in a short period of time. And that's why I like to trade leverage, because leverage trading is really, I don't want to say it's like gambling, but it is sort of like gambling, but it's like gambling with an edge. And it's like kind of almost like an art form, I guess, too. Like you basically like I know the exchanges like will manipulate prices most likely, but it's kind of easy sometimes to tell like where something's likely going to bounce. Like I knew this would bounce at the spot it did based off a couple key factors. One was like a fib level. The other one, if I zoom out on a daily time frame, you'll see that I believe if you take a line and you draw it from these two tops, you'll see that it'll run a line like pretty much perfectly to where we found support. So let me see though. Let me go actually to the weekly. Actually, no, that's fine. So, what was it? I had my chart set up just when I started this video, so like the line made sense. That where we tapped would have been the bottom. I see this coin though going up to $1.20. That's what I've told my VIP members. And I'm not gonna share like alpha insight like that on everything, but like I'll share it for you guys this time around. This coin is probably gonna go to $1.20. You probably can make like 60% off this trade just on spot. But this is not financial advice. This is my own opinion, and this is my own trading. But I'm just saying, it's likely this coin goes to $1 at least, minimum, probably 120. It'll probably hit it to 120, pull back down to $1, and then hold like maybe 93 cents as support ultimately, and then maybe go back up to $1.40 or 50. Basically, though, with this exchange, though, when you're trading, you can use cross leverage or isolated leverage. If you're using high leverage, I highly suggest using cross. And when I mean high leverage, anything above like 20x leverage, you're gonna actually, let's say 15x leverage, you're gonna want to use like probably cross. I mean, isolated leverage. Basically, the difference is like with cross. Let's say you have, actually, I could pull this up and make sense out of this probably a lot better. So liquidation price, let's go. 75x open price, let's say price is at 70 cents right now. 0.70 and open amount. It doesn't really matter. Additional margin, let's say we got $50 behind us. And we open up a trade with like that right there. which would be, all right, so this would be opening up a trade with $148, about just under 150, and then you have $50 in your account balance with this trade still open. If you were on isolated, it would literally only bring your liquidation down like maybe 0.5%, I would say. So this coin, as you can see, is going up and down like crazy. It's a super bad idea. Now, with cross leverage, watch this. Let's do 50 again. It's probably going to be the same, but I'll show you why you're going to want to like use cross on high leverage. So let's say you got $200 in your account and you got a $150 trade open. And you have $500 backed up behind it. You're going to see that's going to give you some leeway. I mean, still, that's very dangerously close. Like, I mean, that's like probably a 1.5%, 2% drop, which it could happen at any given point. So I would say, like, rule of thumb, what I always do is like I always make sure I have about 10 times the amount of money in my available balance on top of the trade that I have open. So like I open up a trade for $1,000. I want at least $10,000 in my account balance also. Because what that's going to do is this. That's going to bring your prices down, liquidation prices way down a lot. Like that would be equivalent to this right here, 60 cents. Now using cross, I have $1,500 in my account. I open up a trade on leverage with $150. 75x cross. My liquidation is 60 cents. That's a price drop of, and I'm not saying this couldn't drop to like 60 cents like really fast, but I'm just saying it gives you a chance to get the hell out of the trade if you have to. That's a 14% drop, which is possible. It could still do that too. I've seen coins go up 4,000% in 45 minutes, and I've seen coins drop like 100, like damn near like 100% or maybe 90, 70% in like minutes also. So anything's possible in this market. You just need to know how to play it right and kind of take advantage of the market when the opportunities are right. Don't force trade this market. It will eat you up alive and destroy your account balance. And you'll find yourself repetitively putting money in over and over and over and over again. And that's not how you're ever going to get ahead. You're better off at that point just holding coins and not even trading this. I know many people that have started trading this stuff, and they were already traditionally in the markets of spot trading on like crypto. And then they went into futures and lost millions of dollars. And, that's something you can't really make back too easily. It's not easy to make $1 million, especially if you have, let's say, $5,000. Like, I know, like, for some of you who are watching, you guys know that, like, my P&L ranking on OKX is, like, really high. And, like, in the last 180 days, I made a 38,000% P&L. But that's me. Not everybody's me. Not everybody trades the way I do. I try teaching people how to trade, and you can sign up for one of my courses. I could try my hardest to teach you how the strategies that I use. They're very basic and simple. I don't overcomplicate things, but I can't guarantee you're going to understand it either. But a lot of people are generally in that course risk management and better techniques on closing in a profit or at least taking a loss, because you're either going to not, like, a lot of times I just hear story after story of people coming to me that join my VIP group that I have. And also in the description box below, join my Discord. You will see, once you join my Discord, I have a VIP section, VIP profits, how to buy VIP. You'll see all this stuff about it. If you want to join VIP, if you tell me you watched this video and because of this video, you want to join VIP, I will drop the price from $300 a month down to $250. All you have to do is let me know. That's how you heard about me, because I'm just trying to see like who's coming from where, basically. But yeah, so I forgot exactly where I was going with what I was saying prior to that. But always make sure to set a stop loss. This exchange has like a slider on it, which I like to use. It's a lot easier, and I always enter on market. I never really limit, like ever, unless I'm just like spot buying something. I might limit into it. Limit basically just has lower like fees. Like the market's gonna have the higher fee, And if you're trading with $100, like don't feel like it's impossible to like turn that to something because it's really not. And I just proved to you that if you would have entered even an XRP, you could have put $50 in there, and you could have made. I mean, you could have made literally probably about $4,000 off a 50% move on 75x leverage. But like I said, I don't recommend using high leverage unless you want to. That's on you. This is not financial advice, and I will not be held like liable for any losses or gains that you guys make. But basically, though, I don't want to like bring this video on for too long. But overall, I think this is a good exchange. Like I said, I have a special like promotion that's gonna continue to go on. It's not gonna end. It's gonna stay this way. It's not like in a month it's ending. And that is if you sign up with the affiliate link below for OKX, you will get 5% back on every trade you open. So you're like the price you're paying on fees, you're gonna get that back, 5% of that back on every trade you open and you close. And that's like a win-win situation. You don't find a lot of people doing that really ever. So make sure like if you want to check this exchange out, deposit some money on there, trade with it, test it out. You're going to be getting money back if you use my link. And it's like a win situation for you. So like check it out. Like leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'm bringing videos every single day from this point on for like the next year. This channel will have a lot, like this channel will be huge in the next year. I can bet on it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm about to make another video for real after this though, but like I'm gonna bring my boy DJ on this next video though, and it'll be dope. It'll be a banger. So I'll see you guys in the next one though, and you guys have a nice fucking day. Make some money. Make some money for me actually. Make some money, and then comment about it below. All right, peace out, guys. You have a great day though.